Hey guys, Stephanie Cavelli with My Favorite Travel Agent, coming to you today from Negril, Jamaica. We're staying at Azul Beach Resort Sensatori, and I am in building 12, room 314. This is a King Ocean View suite. Just wanted to show you around here real quick. As some of you may know, Azul is a charisma resort. And charisma is not only all-inclusive, but they are gourmet inclusive. And it's true, some of the best meals I have ever had in my entire life have been at charisma properties. A lot of storage space here. Nice walk-in shower, and I love that they have, I love their products. Their conditioner's actually really good. Hey guys. You have these sliding double doors. This is a king-size bed, but I think it looks like a California king. It looks bigger than the average king-size bed to me. Now, there are only 3 stories in this resort, and I'm on the 3rd. There's no elevators, so if you have somebody with a disability, they indicate that they will get them on the 1st floor, and they did say it's guaranteed. Now, I have a view of both the mountains. And the ocean. This is a relatively new build. Part of this resort was already existing and they've added on. This is the new addition. But if I was going to offer you a tip, it would be this. If you are staying here at this resort, try to get a 1st or 2nd floor suite. Because as you can see, this is your roof or your covering. So when it rains, which it has, you can see how wet that is there, everything gets soaked and you can't really come out here and enjoy it. Whereas if you are on the 1st or 2nd story, you'd be covered and kind of protected. Take one last look at the room. It is very spacious. And so far, all of the employees have been really, really great. But if you have any questions on this resort or other all-inclusives, don't hesitate to get in touch with us.